Hey groomers, it's Tyler out of Colorado. Wanted to show you the switch issue with the Andis Zr Pulse and the Zr Pulse 2 if they have the same switch. Andis did update the switch, but this is a fix on the older one. So here we go. So a lot of times you guys get your Andis clippers, and when you would move the switch, they might not turn on. So, and if you look, the switch activates this little metal thing and then pushes. I don't know why it's not focusing today. And basically that will move and turn it on. This part on the side here is called the actuator, and it turns on the switch. Jeez, I don't know why. There we go. And as you can see, maybe if it wants to focus, that it's bent out this way a little bit. This piece right here that the screwdriver's on is slightly curved out this way. And that's because I had to bend it a little bit. I just used a lighter, heated it up, grabbed some pliers, bent it out. Now what I just did is I bent it too far my first time, so the clippers were almost permanently on, which is not safe either. You don't want them running all the way on. You'll burn out your motor, possibly start a fire. So be careful with that. And then when you put it back in, put it all back together. If it wants to go, sometimes these can be a little pain in the butt. There we go. Now it should turn on once I press it. Nothing's screwed together yet. So yeah, turns on again. So it's pretty simple fix. And yeah, as you can see, it's not turning on now without it. So that's basically all you got to do. And to get to that point, you got to remove these two back screws, these two front screws, and then the battery portion kind of comes off. And you got your battery in here. And then you have to remove this screw back here. And I removed these two screws. I'm not sure if that was necessary, but I did it. And then that will allow you to pop off this piece. And you want to take this piece off from the back and then push it forward, because there's little, you can see like hooks in there. So it kind of hooks on like this. And then you can get to the actuator and everything. Basically all you need to do is take this piece up, heat it up, bend it out, and put it back in. And that's it. Hopefully that helped save you some money, and good fix you guys could do on your own. So, all right, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.